Let's see if I can buy this dip here. 2094. Following my strategy, following I know what to do. 20s bounced well here, above 20s. So maybe all those can still be in here under 20, under above 2. I think above 2, they're still there. Nice. Okay, so they were there. One more time. These bounds again. Oh, I missed that. Yeah, 2 times here. 2 times there, but it's getting stuffed right at 40, high 30s. Yeah, right at 40. Wonder if it's going to come down now. Got me filled at 12. Not the most ideal for me. Yeah, 12. I don't really like 12. But I could get in here at 6, 2. I think there are buyers down here. Gotta get in here. So 10 now. Not as bouncy, so I need to be careful now. I want to get out of here. I only need to get out of here. Let's see. Okay, good volume there. Good volume. Nice, nice. Okay. Good push there. So getting out there 22. All right, okay. I underestimated that. So I didn't like how it was, it came down and it wasn't giving a quick bounce, but eventually did give a quick bounce. So out right there, 22. So not bad, not bad at all. Kept that right under control. So it looks like we might actually move this. So over 26. Seller. Rejected there. Let's see. They're 88. Bounce. No, not gonna bounce out quickly, very quickly there. Needed to see that bounce 70s. Oh, okay, leaving it alone. It's actually not giving a bounce. So I've noticed how pre-market dips into larger gaps are very dangerous because pre-market you can get this effect here. Straight up, straight down. So, all right, leaving it alone. AZI. Almost got caught on that too. So thankfully that was quick. That was only a 2-cent loss. AZI. News? No real news though. AZI, I mean, 572. I mean, that's $1 lower. But we want to get involved in this. You can drop like a hammer. There are no news. Float. Float is all right. 4 mil. You gotta be quick. I might not have the right tool for this kind of job. Using these buttons. That is fast. Should I attempt to buy this dip here? $577. Having trouble there. Breaking through it. Almost bought that. Almost bought it, brother. Dang. That's crazy. Okay. So this is a riskier trade here. So we might see 14 on this. It's by the bid on this thing then. That move is fast, bro. 980. Then shares, just to like get it out of my system. Let's see. That's insane, bro. Yeah, this price level is freaking risky. I'm just gonna buy that 50s. Are you joking, bro? I cannot believe this. Okay. Just give me a moment to get things get situated, man. Give me a moment to get situated here. Not real news on this, but could be worth a shot. Two topping wicks. Possible area of bounce. 3. Now this thing's coming straight down. Almost bought that. 3. About that. All right, here we go. Open pretty soon. So let's look at CCTG, the best two stocks right now. A little lag on the level 2. So I gotta get that out of the system. Come on, get the lag out. Yeah, the halts are too close on this, so we're taking AHMA. Dip under 50. 50 was a good dip. And immediate hold. Wow, okay. We almost took that. So, wish aid, well, 50 was a good spot anyway. Let's see what else is moving here. Okay, so 30 seconds here. I will take a dip and a rip here. It's gonna open at 50. It might dip to 25. We'll take a look. 600 shares. Yeah, let's do it. I think it's strong. do 400 and see how well we can trade this. 25 will be the stop. I'll take a dip. Dip under 50. Ideally doesn't do a double dip. That's weird. It's not even that high up. Hmm. It's not even that high up and it's got 10 minutes in it. Okay. Okay, let's do it. So we got 20 seconds here. Dip under 50. If it doesn't work right away, then it ain't it. Okay, CCTG halting down. Okay, more attention here. 5 seconds. No dip, really, no dip. Dang it, no dip. Oh, this one did not actually hold down. Wow, that's crazy. No dip. No dip. Okay, things are just halting and halting, brother. I want to take a trade somewhere. I'm looking for a little dip under 50, but it held 49. It says 49, but definitely didn't see that. PAVS opening at 3, opening lower. 270, 225. Maybe. Opening lower. ACI resumption. Is it going to be good? ACI resumed. Over 72. It's trying again and again. 5. 5 again. Let's do it. Now it's going to break 5. 98. No. Shoot. Five again. So it's tricky. It wants to break 5, but hasn't done it yet. Still in range. There it is. That's a break of 5. This is going to resume much lower. 70, 60. Buyers at 70, in at 68. Just got cooked on that. Okay. There was a small buyer there at 68. Gotta be careful. Okay. We had 100 on the books, but sadly, we're missing it, and then this ends up going. Things are very hot, so we'll be able to get it back. This has reached VWAP. I don't know if it'll keep going. Man, I can't believe I lost 400 on that. I lost 30 cents on this thing. 400 shares really dropped so much. 30 cents on that. Looking for a good setup. CCTG. 13 seconds. PAVS. It's gonna do it, huh? 469. We're assuming a little higher. Nope, we're assuming lower. I don't like this one. It halts too soon. PAVS looks better for me. CCTG, ACI. PAVS could be good. All right, so we're gonna take this one. Volt is 55. So 37 there. Volt is a little close. $32. Don't like 32, so cutting out that loss there. So I want it here. Yeah, I was looking at this one. Yeah, 37. It dropped pretty harsh. So I was waiting for that gap at 30s, but I got 32. I didn't think it would go that low. No, I need to be a little more patient. So it's all right. So we may take a dip. I mean, this gave a 225 dip. I mean, that was not a bad dip. That was pretty good. Although I did take it 68, which is okay. I guess 71 was the top of the gap. Yeah. All right, so we got CCT. No, we got this one coming up in 2 minutes. 430, 465. Yeah. It's going to be pretty high up here. ACI, maybe it's better, but it's got more resistance. This doesn't have as much resistance. PAVS. Not gonna be waiting here for a bit. That's in a minute here. 23 seems to be a good spot. Oh, yep. So it's moving really quick. '20s. $30 seconds on this. 20s. Hell, 20s. No, I'm not folding it. Choppy, choppy, choppy. So 18 seconds. 460. I mean, can we get a massive dip? I will take a massive dip on this. Massive dip. Come on, massive dip to 430s. 372 is the hold down, so we're still got way to go here. There you go. Massive dip into hold down. If it's a false hold, I might take it right on the gap. Nah, skipping that. So crazy volatility there. I do wanted to jump in, but didn't give me the entry. Okay, so PAVS got the attention now, so let's see if we can actually get it. 72. Very choppy, but if it starts going, what do we got here? 65. Yeah, that's good. Fine, I'll get in there. 72. Yeah, I'm out. Trying to get in right as soon as it starts breaking 65. Because it looks like it was going to squeeze there. 72 to 62, so 10 cents there. Not quite, not quite. Here we go, 65 again. There it is. This thing, bro. Okay. I will take a dib here. 80s. It's so hard to get a good timing on this. I don't want to get filled in the 10s. I want to see that dip. Bro. I don't find a good entry there. Okay. So not easy to manage this one, but we got a gap and we got some moves here. So I went in this candle, maybe a little too early, 72. I got stopped out 62, but I should have waited a little longer. But you never know, man. You get in there and it just goes. It's just one of those things. Just gotta keep trying. So done only 40 bucks. Let's see what we can do here. Once we start hitting, getting in rhythm with the market, it'll be a different story. We're zooming at 3 below that gap. Nope. That's a big drop. That's a big drop for sure. Zooming in 2 minutes. Hopefully we get a dip. I do want to see a good dip here. Right here in the 80s. I'll definitely get that. For sure. I actually size up on that. So I'm gonna take this dip. Hopefully you get a dip under 4. Could be good. 429. Hopefully get a dip under 4. That's what I'm looking for here. There it is, 82. Nice. Very good, very good, very good. Out right there in the 50s. Excellent dip. So that's what I'm talking about. So it only takes one. So right in the 80s, as soon as I saw that, man, I was in there. Plan worked. Plan worked perfectly. Beautiful, beautiful execution. Then I saw it immediately went up to 50. Oh my goodness. 600 shares too. That's awesome. So we reached the double top there. Pre-market high 228. Let's size down here because it might keep going. But I don't want to get caught in some BS. So 480s is that top of that level. Okay. Yep. 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 Gotta be aggressive on the push. For sure. For sure. That was crazy. It's hard to say where we're gonna get a good move here. So we might get the break of 6, but I don't want to eat a fat loss, but I do want to get a better entry. It's a tough, 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 tough. It's just chasing the hold up, chasing and chasing. I mean, that's really nice. Okay, dip under 3. Oh, I'll take that. 96 though. Ah, brother. That was so annoying. Okay, lost there. I thought it would get over 3 because that was a nice gap that was forming there, but lost on that. Okay. PAVS, that might be it. 80s is gonna hold. This thing holds, it held 80s, so if it holds 80s, man, it might got more juice in it. Back over 80s. Yes, I'll get in there. 92. Nice. 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 Nice, 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 nice. I'll get out 5 actually. It doesn't look like it was going to do it. It came from 20s to 5 pretty quickly. So I'm taking the 10 cents there, but there it is. Okay. All right, I just got to commit to my trade, bro. Commit to your trade. Commit to the trade. That's what I need to do. Commit to the trade. So 80s keeps testing. Testing one more time. Testing again. Yeah. So I was I'm kind of right. It keeps popping up 80s. So it gives me the idea that it wants to hold that level. There's still 5 seconds here left. This next candle might decide what's it gonna do. It's holding that small gap. It's already made a huge move. So the 5 minute doesn't look the best. Now we got a fresh 5 minute gap here. Yeah, I want to push this day. RGNT. It's actually very nice. 416. 483. If I can get a dip under 5. 483 stop. Wow. Not even a chance. So this ended up holding that little gap. No, it's not. Okay, moving on to our GMT. $483 is that level, but we're already kind of far beyond that. 5 now. 50s. $24. It could have hold 24. And it does hold 24. Okay. All right. This thing is just chasing and chasing. So what are we gonna do? Are we gonna chase our way to $7? What's this? 692? 592? Bro, I don't there's no setup. I mean, I'll just buy here and kind of just put my stop 592. What, like 5? I mean, it was in the 30s. Didn't really give me a good entry. All right, well, finally called, bro. Like this, this action. It actually, I mean, yeah, right here, every area had a gap and go. But man, I had a gap and go chasing halts. PAVS is holding 5 very well. PAVS is holding 5. It's holding 5. All right, let's do it. 99. Gonna look to add here. Getting stuffed. But I don't want to get out too early like every single time. Stop is break even 99. I got nothing to lose. Nothing to lose here. Stop is break even 99. Oh, wow. Okay. I thought it was gonna break 5 there. I'll wait for another one. 2 topping wicks. Very good though. Very good. Yeah. I had a strong feeling it was gonna break, but this is gonna hold here. This holds. Yep, in there. 505. Oof. Dang it. Ah, dude. Getting out 86. All right. The losses are big, man. The losses are big. If I don't get it, the losses are big. Um, and I'm getting out at the lows like 86 too, dude. Like, I mean, like where the stop is 86. That's where I'm getting out, and it bounces right up. So what I need to do is this. Gotta understand where my stop is going to be. So if 86, it's in the back of my mind, I'm willing to hold a little bit longer for the break of 86. But if it's not 86, then, I'm just getting out wherever I want, wherever I think it's the best area, but it's never usually the case, is it? So it's okay. All right. I'll try it again. It looked like it was forming something good. 5 kept holding, 90s kept holding. And I'm thinking, okay, that seems to be very good. Dang. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. Look at that. False hold. If it's a false hold, I might get in here. Over 520 basically. There it is. In there, 32. You gotta hold 20. You gotta hold 20 for me. Hold 20. Big seller. Break through that seller. No problem. Breaking through that seller. Yeah, there you go. No, out. Out on that. Um, the seller just kept holding it down. I could be wrong though. I'm out on the 26. No, actually, that was a loss. Was that a loss? Yeah, that was actually a loss. How? Okay. Okay, I gotta keep holding, bro. I gotta keep holding. I'm just letting these moves go by me. So I just gotta keep holding. Hmm. There's a gap there, but I don't think we're gonna make it to that gap. I think it's just gonna keep going. The algos are just freaking eating this up, man. Every chance they get, they're eating this up. That's freaking nuts, man. The algos are eating this up. Let's hide this 706. What the heck, bro? It's like literally you just buy and hold. Buy, close your eyes, and then just freaking hold. Oh, man, that sucks, bro. It's doing the same thing I did here, and I just can't seem to figure out where's a good entry. I mean, the hold to 770. The chart's going up. Bro. There's your massive drop. 630. I'll take it there. 619. Dip on the gap, fellas. Dip on the freaking gap. Now, can you take me back to the highs? I'll take it. I'll take it in the 50s. 19 to 50. I tried to get an order around the 70s, but it just did not even fill me. Well, there you go. Okay, so it clearly doesn't want to do that. Let's see. We might actually get a nice move here now. Fine, I'll get in here in the 30s. 37. If I see 20s, I'm getting out. There it goes, I'm getting out. So it's so high from the bottom of this gap, so I either gotta wait for a pullback, but knowing this thing, it really isn't gonna pull back that much. So I either gotta give it more range, reduce size. Because I'm gonna be missing this move now. Look, 80s back to 50s. So you know what? I'm gonna give it. Yeah, I don't want to get caught in that. So I'm gonna have to give it more room. It might start the next wave here, so I need to give it more room. Not just 10 cents, because I'm looking at just 10 cents of risk, but this thing has a lot more range. So 10 cents is not enough. 10 cents will stop me out very fast. So, but if I get it in specific areas, 10 cents will be just right. So right here, right? So let's see if I can get this low here. Right at 7. See if we can get it right at 7. Stop 80s. So I'll be like 10, 20 cents of risk if I get it at 7. This thing is building up. It's building up momentum. It's picking up orders here. Probably get on the bid on this, bro. There it is. Bang, in there, 703. That's what I'm talking about. So here I have a more specific stop, 84. So 84 there. Hopefully this works. I want to add to it too. It's been a long time since I added to any positions I had. So 703, the best that I could get. The low of this was 92. So it's important that we make a move here. Nice dip. Considering the volatility on this thing, it's hard to say where to add, bro. If it's chasing holds, I mean, I would add. That's a clear way to know that it wants to go up. Like all through here, this would have been such a great place to just add after it hit every hold. But here, we don't have a lot of volume here. I'm gonna take one share, I want to take one piece out here. Don't break, come on. Yeah, I'm getting cooked there. Ah, bro. Man, I'm losing it, bro. This might actually hold down for the first time here. The losses I've taken on this are pretty wild. So let me see. Let me import this. Because the losses are equaling the same as the winners on this specific stock. I need to let me see. Yeah, so here it is. So this is PAVS. I can't really see it, but there you go. I'll put it right here. PAVS, it's 1 to 2, right? One loss, about 1 to 2. That's because of this huge winner here. If it wasn't for this huge winner, I mean, look at these winners, look at these losers. I mean, this was a disastrous loss. Like, come on, bro. 20, 18, 25, 69, 78 on that last one. So 1 to 1 here. I mean, the losses are big, big. Yeah, I guess 2 big losses. I did have this huge winner, which is kind of skewing this. Well, that's how it goes, you know? It only takes one, to be honest. But this is kind of the stats for all day today so far. So far the day it's been good. Pre-market, it took a dive at the open, reclaim it, and then kind of hitting a wall here, highs of 275, losing 100 off the top. Yeah, I don't want to lose 100 off the top, so I'm going to be patient. Okay, here we go. Please don't hold yet. I'm going to take the most micro dip here. If you don't hold, I'm chasing. This thing is going to keep chasing. 78, I'm taking that 78. Keep chasing, bro. Keep chasing, keep chasing, keep chasing, keep chasing. Keep chasing. Keep chasing. Oh, you son of a gun. Oh, oh, wow. Okay, here we go. 7 seems to be a key level. And I might take a nice little dip here if I get it. 19, boom. And at 30, it's a bit high. There it is. Try to get out there in the 68s. Okay. Taking it a little bit slower. Okay, there we go. Bro. Oh, wow. That's insane, man. I'm like seconds away from getting that. And at the same time thinking, no, man, this is gonna freaking suck. It's just such a weird, man. It's just so weird the view that I get from it. Oh, wow. crazy price action because it tells you, it seems like it's not gonna go, right? It's kind of like hovering, and I'm in at 30. Bro, that's so brutal, man. That's incredibly brutal. Looks like we might be chasing holds again. So 60s, 70, 75. I'm about to get cooked here, bro. I'm about to get smoked on this one. If you don't go up, I'm gonna get smoked here. Yeah, I'm getting smoked. How did I get filled 75 on that? Like, let me try it again. One last trade because I'm kind of losing. Like, yeah, it goes. It's gonna go, but at what cost, man? I get a super terrible fill, 75. So maybe we might keep chasing this hold. So I'm gonna try to get in here at a dip. 80s, 70s. Fine, I'll get in 70s. 80s. Ah, I really don't want to hold this much longer, bro. Yeah, it doesn't. I tried it 2 times. Yeah, I'm losing most of the day here, and it. I'll try one more time because it's. Yeah, it's the price action is so bad. Losing 15 cents, that one lose 30 cents. I mean, I'm only taking. This is so annoying, man. So annoying, whatever. So we know this price action is garbage. So this is what we gotta do. If this thing, there was a trigger above 7, I bailed out on it. That was my mistake. Now the trigger here might be 880 coming over to 9. That fill was atrocious. I should watch the re that 80 that 75 fill was pretty obnoxious that I had, I think, over here. So I might just take my $46 right now. Time is it's 11:15. Ah, dang, bro. Unable to make it happen, bro. That really sucks, honestly. That really sucks. Because it looked like it was going to be a really great day. Really looked like it, man. And I gave back on some silly places, dude. So I might take a dip under 8. If it wants to give a dip under 8. Taking that dip under 8. Come on, come on. I did see it under 8, but I'm thinking it's going to be a little bit more. Two candles, two red candles. Wow, okay. Let's see. Now we're gonna get the break of 10. Could be. Any dip that I get would be nice. That bid, bro. That bid. It looks like it's going to start cooking. So let's see. Getting stuff right there. Trying again. Back to 40. Give me a dip. Give a dip, bro. Give a dip like you've done it many times. An obnoxious dip. Yeah, that entry was like 920. I had seen it there. Bro, I'm like, gotta study these moves, man. That's crazy. Gotta study these moves. All right, I'm in there. Oh nine. Let's freaking fly, bro. Let's freaking fly. Don't break 10. Let's freaking fly. 11. 11. $11. $11. Don't break 10. If you break 10, bro. Oh! And we are getting a red day. I cannot believe this, bro. How crazy, man. From green to red. Out 982. Like that fill is just a crazy. We could get back over 10. 10 was a good spot. We can retrace. I'll try to get a dip under 30, 930. Keep it really tight. Huh. So the dip was to 50s. They didn't want to dip a little lower. It's just kind of it's gonna take off here. A 10. Little pullback there. I think I haven't taken a single winning trade. Let me see. Lost 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades in a row that were losers. I think that might be it. I think that actually might be it. Those were 7 trades in a row that were losers. So my accuracy is not great. I'm just not. Maybe I'm not just. I'm not reading the momentum correctly. Okay, that was a scalp. That was a scalp. 95 to 06, 10-10 scalp. Okay, thank you. We can get better than that. We can definitely get better than that. I mean, can you give a dip though? Like, yeah, no dip, right? Once it started opening up, it gave no dip. So 1150, 66, 30, 66. I mean, we might get the break of 13 here. So we might get the break of 13. If it doesn't hold, we might get the break of 13. Okay. We got something. We got a scalp. All right, I just need to cut it here, bro. We got something at the very least. Like, yeah. I'm tired. I'm tired. So many trades on this. All were garbage. I scalped it. Yeah. I'm like the past like 10 trades, I haven't really been following my rules too well. So I need to stop. So this one resumed and it dropped like a hammer. So there was a dip down there, but Might take CGTL here. SSR, does it have volume though? It looked like it does. Give a nice dip. Wow, this is going bananas, man. I didn't think it would resume like that, but I guess that would. Well, 68, 64, perhaps. Much volume here? 600,000. What's the flow? 16 million. Okay, no thanks. Why not take that 16? 10 seconds here. Am I looking for 13 on this? Let's see where the hold down is going to be. 1306. Wow, that was a gigantic dip right there. What a beautiful dip. All right. Is this going to be a crazy one? We got a red gap. We got a lot of sellers here that we have to go through, so we'll see. All right, 10 seconds. Taking for a dip. Let's see if we can get a nice little dip here. Out right there. So we got a nice trade there, but I think we could see a better dip here. Nice. Out very soon, 25 to 47. Wow. So looking for a dip. Take this to 440. The hold up is 440. My best trades today have come out of holds. So wow. $71. Wow. Unbelievable action. All right, easy come, easy go. So here we go, resuming much lower. This might actually hold down, so I have to be careful. Dang, son. Dang, dang it. So hold down is 1739. Ah, bro, this is like 100 shares. I lose 50 cents on an instinct. Unbelievable, bro. All right. Can we get a dip? I mean, the best trades come from dip and rips, so let's see. Sheesh. 360 hold down. Is it gonna actually hold down? Oh, you son of a gun. Please, please don't. Please don't. Please don't. I bought that by mistake. Please get me out of here. Please get me out of here. Ah, all right. I got caught. I got caught. Gonna lose. It's gonna be a red day if this opens lower. 250. Yeah, this is gonna be a massive red day. Ah, dang it, bro. That false hold, I wanted to buy it. All right, here we go. We get caught in a hold down over $1 a share, so I'm gonna lose $400 here. So my order is out there. Hopefully I get a nice fill. Maybe 10 minutes, honestly. Yeah, 10 minutes. All right, this thing is moving up to $3, which is good. I got caught at 381. So if you're kind enough, I got an order out already. So that should get me out at 3 and hopefully eat this red day. Won't be too bad after all. Jeez, what's going on? Really? This thing should have resumed, bro. Man, what the heck? Oh, what the heck? All right, it's gonna resume at 3. Get me out. Get me out of here, man. Get me out of here. Open, 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 open. Let's see the damage. Bro. Oh my gosh, man. Ah, 5 more minutes. What a day, man. What a day to false hold down. I had to buy it. Sucks. So 585. I need to offset this loss. So maybe this one, if you don't go straight into hold down, let's see. Dang, this is like so chunky. Yeah, that would have been good actually. Wow. Forty seconds. 5 seconds. Come on, bro. Just get me the heck out of this. Down. Okay, good. Resume at 2. You filled me at 3. How did you fill me at 3 if it opened at 4? Oh, wow, son. Ah, should have never sold. Oh, wow, that's crazy. All right, whatever. I'm down $66. What a day, bro. I would be shocked if it resumes right here, but might take a dip around 8. Would it be crazy if I get in here? Yeah, that would be pretty crazy. Not doing that. Almost bought 56. Um, yeah. All right, we're gonna call it here. We're down $66. Very frustrating day. I think I was not able to capitalize on the extreme momentum. Extreme. It was crazy fast. So let's take a look here. So PAVS, man, this thing just went so fast, bro. And I don't think I was able to capitalize on any of this. Getting stopped out many times. Finally got a good dip and rip. Goes. Trying to get a good dip on there. Trying to get the breakout, not there. Trying to get the other breakout, also not here, and I'm giving up on it. Try to get it 31, bro, and I just again and again, I'm like just not giving them maybe enough room. I think I did see this go up to 70s. I just sold on the way back down. Um, got a nice dip here. That worked. Now I think here got caught on that backside, but oh, I try to go for this as well. I sell a little too soon. Trying to catch this high, getting caught, getting caught. Yeah, I could avoid these two. These two were kind of dumb. These two trades were kind of silly. Same entry, just silly. And then trying to catch something here. Back over 10. No. A small winner here. Barely anything. 12 to 30, 33. Call chasing the hold down. And then just miss this, and then miss this other one. Anyway, just very tough for me to trade that fast momentum. CHAI, this was the only decent trade that I followed my strategy for. In fair value gap out right there, very good. This one as well, in fair value gap at 12, took some out flat, added again a little lower, out 22. Very decent. Tried to get a dip, nope. So pre-market I was up $100. Came to market open and I just threw it all out. Try to get a dip and a rip here. What it was this? A gap and go. Break of 5, out 83. Ends up going actually. Ends up actually going. So it's kind of the market is hot. So if it comes down, it's coming right back up, and it's moving. It's moving very fast. CPOP. I was just getting started with this, man, and I bought this 78 looking for the whole chase. It kept chasing, but it gave up, and it gave up quick, down 70, down to 73. This is at the open, or rather at 10 a.m. Going for that dip, getting caught, 72 doesn't actually give a bounce. What did I do? I take a dip and a rip here, 25 to third, 47, but man, just not capitalizing all the way because this thing goes to 4, 5, 5. Unbelievable strength, you know? And then I get caught for the biggest loss today. Get caught in the hold down in 81, gets pinned down. Gets actually pinned down at 81, I think. I don't know where I got caught. Maybe got it. It was coming down very quickly. I tried to buy the false hold right on this gap area, but got caught there. 20 minutes, 20-minute hold. Resumed open at 3, but immediately goes higher, and I get filled at 3, I guess. So there you have it. Roller coaster day. Today, man, today the market was unbelievably hot. I should be. Anyway, I'm not even gonna finish that sentence. It was hot. Hopefully tomorrow this same momentum comes back again, and I'm able to capitalize in a huge manner. All right, so come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free trading, try the free trading analysis tool, tell your broker, add a file, click analyze. Check out all our features. So we got lots of features. So I updated this. Okay, so check this out. I updated the features section, so come check it out. So we got a month, we got day performance, we got the charts, we got trade by trade, charts that show you trade by trade. Awesome, right? This looks really cool. The journal, trade tagging, we got tagging as well, and all your different trading accounts, which you can download also your data. So go check it out. We have testimonials, so trusted by the community. Come check out, read our testimonials. People love it. People like to use our application. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year, the most affordable pricing out there. Join us on Discord, check us out, and I'll see you tomorrow bright and early. The recap will be out. Sadly, on this very hot day, we were not able to capitalize, but there's always tomorrow and the rest of the week. So here we go. See you tomorrow.